Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify brand voice graphics for LinkedIn carousel posts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin verifying brand voice graphics for your LinkedIn carousel posts, start by gathering your existing brand guidelines. Review the tone and style outlined in these guidelines. Identify key elements such as color palette, fonts, and imagery that reflect your brand's personality. Next, create a sample carousel post layout using these brand elements. Design each slide with consistency in mind, ensuring colors and fonts match your guidelines. As you create the graphics, write captions that align with your brand's voice. Use language that resonates with your audience and stays true to your established tone. Once your visuals and captions are ready, evaluate them together. Check for visual harmony between the graphics and the text. Ensure that the overall message is clear and aligned with your brand voice. After making your adjustments, gather feedback from team members. Ask them to review both the design and messaging for alignment with the brand identity. Make necessary revisions based on the feedback received. Once finalized, save your carousel post design in a compatible format for LinkedIn. Now, you're ready to upload your verified brand voice graphics to LinkedIn. Check the upload preview to ensure everything appears as intended. Finally, confirm that the post reflects your brand voice and visual identity effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.